a normal loop, but very few could perform one like the CF-18. Ladies and gentlemen, with a 7G pull to the vertical, Captain Kutrick and the square loop. On the left, Captain Kutrick with one last pass.
As the team returns from the left for the diamond barrel roll. The 150th anniversary of Canada. Put your hands together and give your great nation a tremendous round of applause.
Ladies and gentlemen, look now at a big piece of equipment slung below the Sikorsky helicopter, the S-58T commercial conversion to this beautiful and unusual helicopter. Being flown today by David Tomasini again, and we'll tell you all about it once we get it out at center stage. Helicopter, and And the engines are new, the conversion makes it modern. It's a way throwback machine, though, the Sikorsky helicopter. And it's doing something that looks unusual to us, but it's actually configured the way it would work, right, Dan?
Yeah, this is what they use for installing the air conditioning units on some of the big high-rises you see around the Toronto skyline. And that is actually an air conditioning unit that he has suspended below that helicopter. Talking with the pilot last night, this helicopter was the one that put the final antenna on the top of the CN tower. So this is a sky crane. This actually carries things. It's a lot easier than putting a crane up and much more effective, and it doesn't screw up traffic. It's a great piece of equipment to have.
Got a nice Canadian story to it, too. The S-58T Sikorsky helicopter, the commercial conversion to the turboshaft power, uses Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6T3 twin-pack turboshaft engines. Special nose cowling featuring distinctive twin rectangular air intakes, and it's beautiful in an unusual way.
Ladies and gentlemen, and on behalf of the United States Air Force, the Commander of Air Combat Command, General Mike Holmes, and in honor of the 70th anniversary of the United States Air Force, we'd like to once again welcome you to the 2017 Canadian International Air Show. I'm F-22 Raptor Demonstration Team Chief, Tech Sergeant Jamie Fleming from Belvic, Ohio. I'm here with our safety observer and combat-ready fighter pilot, Major Paul Lopez, call sign Loco, from Virginia Beach, Virginia. As proud members of Air Combat Command's 1st Fighter Wing located at Joint Base, Langley Eustis in Hampton, Virginia, it is my distinct pleasure to describe to you today a capability demonstration by the most technologically advanced 5th-generation fighter aircraft in the world. The F-22 Raptor's mission is air dominance. It supports America and its coalition partners to freely operate in today's joint fight, anywhere, anytime. The pilot for today's demonstration is Major Dan Dickinson, call sign Rock from Sumter, South Carolina. Major Dickinson is a veteran fighter pilot with more than 1,000 hours flying the Raptor. Launching Major Dickinson was our expert maintenance team, dedicated crew chiefs, Tech Sergeant Kyle Kirkland from Springfield, Ohio, and Senior Airman Nicholas Banducci from Eureka, California. Assisting me at show centers are avionics specialists, Tech Sergeant Darshell Green from Petersburg, Virginia, and Senior Airman Jack DeVos from Bardstown, Kentucky. You are about to witness the maneuver capabilities of the most advanced and most lethal fighter aircraft in the United States Air Force. The F-22 you'll see today is an unmodified and fully combat-capable aircraft. While we can't show you everything that makes the Air Force's Raptor the most lethal fighter aircraft in the world, we will show you its raw power and thrust vector's maneuvering capability as it executes maneuvers that no other combat-ready fighter aircraft in the world can perform. The firepower of the Raptor comes in a combination of 8 missiles and up to 8 precision satellite-guided bombs. The F-22 also has an internal cannon capable of firing 6,000 rounds of 20mm ammunition per minute. It is a true first look, first shot, first kill weapon system. The Raptor plays a vital role in global defense and represents the Air Force's dedication to aim high, fly, fight and win, ensuring our ability to meet any challenge, anytime, under any conditions, anywhere in the world. As today's demonstration begins, you'll see the Raptor execute a maximum power pull, producing 70,000 pounds of thrust from its powerful F-119 engines. At a safe altitude, Major Dickinson will quickly loop the aircraft, reversing its flight path, and then roll while diving straight down. So now, it's time to stand up, move forward, and get ready. The show's about to begin. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the most feared aircraft in the world today, the United States Air Force's F-22 Raptor. flight controls combined with this powerful engines allow the F-22 to pull more than 9 times force gravity. Watch from the right as Raptor demonstrates his tight turn capability with a minimum radius horizontal turn and then power straight to the vertical. Then watch as Major Dickinson quickly changes his direction with the amazing J-turn reposition.
No surrender, no trigger, fingers go. Living the dangerous life. Hey, 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 every day when I wake, I'm dreaming.
Missiles to be carried internally. The F-22 is the first supersonic, multi-role, and highly maneuverable stealth fighter in the world with a fully internal combat weapons load. Ready your cameras as Raptor banks him from the left and cycles his weapons bay doors. Folks, if you've ever wondered where there's bombs and missiles hide, here is your answer.